Do you know tortoise was not born with scars all over its body or better still shells all over its body? Do you know that? Okay, it is due to egoism that tortoise have scars or shells on its back. We are going to look into that. Hello everyone, welcome. I'm very happy until I feel like crying. I feel like crying. I'm very happy. I say thank you to all my returning subscribers. I'm overwhelmed. To the extent you people are taking me very high. I appreciate. Okay, if this is your first time on my channel, Emstine TV, you are very welcome. You are highly welcome. So you are at the right place, at the right channel. In this channel, we discuss everything about life. You understand? Everything based on life lessons, what we should do in life and what we shouldn't do to keep life very good. So, in today's video, let me not forget, please, as I said, all the new viewers on my channel, you people are welcome. I love you so much. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button in red and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified and will continue sharing to change the world. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about egoism. Egoism is not good in life. What do I mean? When people are eating fat on others due to the respect, the love, they believe that you are very smart, you are very outstanding, but you end up misleading them. It is not good. That is what happened to Mr. Tortoise. Yeah, that is what it is due to trust. Because what goes around, as we always say it, comes around. God is very wise. You know, God is wonderful. Even if you do bad today to someone, don't forget, if it doesn't come back to you, it will come back to your generation. So that is what happened to Mr. Tortoise. We'll go straight to the story as it is. Once upon a time, in an animal kingdom, all the bird family, be it kingfisher, pigeon, ostrich, duck, in fact, all the birds, they were called for meeting in heaven. By who? By God. God decided to have some meetings and exchange and give some advice to bird family. So, as they were planning for this meeting, drawing their agenda, they sat down and they realized that among the birds, they were not really smart to that extent. So, Kingfisher just suggested, okay, if we are going for meeting, we have a lot to discuss at the meeting, of which I know that majority of us may not be able to answer some certain questions. So let's go and see Mr. Tortoise, who is the wisest of all animals, who is the century animal, very old man, well respected because of his high IQ. So when they got to Mr. Tortoise, they said, Mr. Tortoise, we have meeting in heaven. We'd like you to come with us, as you are very intelligent, very smart. You will be able to reschedule and adjust some key questions that will be asked to us. Mr. Tortoise said, well, no problem, but there's a problem. They asked, what is the problem? They said, I don't have wings. How are you going to take me to heaven? They said, no problem, relax. We just need but your yes, and we'll take you to heaven. So, they all agreed to donate one feather each bird. As they donated it, they gathered it and they produced a wing and gave it to Mr. Tortoise. when the D-Day arrived, they were to fly to heaven. They all flew to heaven. When they arrived heaven, they were welcomed by Angel Gabriel. Yeah. They were welcomed by Angel Gabriel. They were sent to the receptionist. As they sat at the receptionist, when it was meeting time, they said, each and every one of you will address and present yourself. You understand? So they started. Mr. Kingfisher said, okay, I'm Mr. Kingfisher, the king of all fishes in the sea. You know, Kingfisher is very smart as fish in the sea is concerned. So when they reached Pigeon, Pigeon said, I'm Mr. Pigeon. Ostrich, I'm Mr. Ostrich. Yeah. The last person who was Tortoise. And you, sir? I'm Mr. Everybody. Like that in deep voice, I'm Mr. Everybody. Case settled. They went on, exchanged some views, got some advice, because God sent Angel Gabriel to attend to them. Yeah. So Angel Gabriel gave them the package God sent him to deliver to them, and they were happy. They rejoiced. Guess what? When it was eating time, they brought food. They said, okay, this is for everybody. You know what? This is for everybody. Remember, Tortoise was answering Mr. Everybody. Tortoise took this food and played on the intelligence of all the birds. They took him to heaven. So, when he ate all this food, all the birds were hungry. They were hungry, seriously hungry. When it was time to return, as they were angry, you know, an angry man is a hungry man. All of them did what? They all pulled out. Give me my feather. Give me my feather. Give me my feather. They pulled out their feather. Tortoise was stranded. Tortoise managed to talk to Pigeon. Pigeon, please tell my wife that he should gather all the mattresses begged from neighbors, all the soft items, because I will be falling on my yacht. Pigeon said, no problem. I'm going to deliver your message as you said. They flew back. Yeah, they left Tortoise in heaven. They flew back. You know the type of message Pigeon delivered to Mrs. Tortoise? Okay. Mrs. Tortoise, Mr. Tortoise have said you should gather all the sharp objects. You know, spears, all the sharp irons, hoes. Beg even from neighbors. Beg along the community. Gather them on the yard. Mrs. Tortoise, as a good woman, did just that. She gathered, she said, when you gather it, you climb on that tree in the yard. What happened? When Mr. Tortoise was falling, when he was falling, thinking, yes, I'm falling on the soft materials my wife have gathered, when he realized it was sharp objects, he just turned his back. Went right at where the wife was standing, pulled the wife together. They landed on top of the hard objects. Bam! Yeah, they landed on the sharp objects. That is when you see the mark started coming on the body of Tortoise. The tortoise back was destroyed. It was after then that Tortoise regained the injury, recovered from the injury, that you see that everywhere is scars and very thick. That is how Tortoise managed to get his share on the body, his scars. So this is to tell you that, my brothers and sisters, when people trust you So this story, you can see it is a myth. Yeah, it was just for fun, but to tell those people who are using their respect to cheat on others, it is not good. It is not good. Try and change. Yes, this is to tell you that when people give you the trust, when people look up to you as an educationist, as somebody who has something that requires respect, and they truly give you that respect, please try and reciprocate. Try and make the equation to be balanced. If not of egoism, selfishness, tortoise wouldn't have undergone this injury on the back, feeding it difficult to, you see. So to some of us, when even if they give us a small post, we try to use others who push us to that post. It is not good. It is not good. Egoism in life doesn't take you anywhere. If you eat fat on my sweat today, tomorrow you are going to fall shock. You pick your shock at Waterloo. Yeah, you pick your shock at Waterloo. Always do what is right. Do what you want others to do same to you or your family member. That is important. So, please, thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping in touch with me, with all the support. I'm really impressed. Without you, I'm nothing in the YouTube world. It's due to your support that I keep moving. Thanks so much. Please, new subscribers, I welcome you wholeheartedly. I love you so much. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please click on the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Like the video, comment and share if it can change one or two things in some people's life. I'm very grateful. Thanks so much. Stay blessed as I will be coming up with more useful videos.